Okay, this one's been sold as a non-runner. It's Brad from JS Commercials. It's a vehicle we've sold. This one, it has had a problem with the engine, so we've had to unwrap the deal and bring the vehicle back in. So we are selling the vehicle off as spares and repair. It's a lovely Mercedes Sprinter box van with a tail lift. It's only done low mileage, but the engine has give up. It's knocking. So it does need a new engine fitting. At the moment, we can't get an engine for it ourselves, so we are selling it off. Spares and repairs are a lot less than its the boot price. Actually retailed this vehicle at $23,995 plus VAT. We are selling it off today as a non-runner. Spares and repairs, anybody who's got an engine for it, we're selling it at £12,000 plus VAT. It's only done 81,000 miles. It's a 2070 reg. It's a one owner. It's a nice clean vehicle all round. It's got the Apple CarPlay. We have added to the mechanics. These are just the bits off the top of the engine. Our mechanic has told us that the engine is knocking. It's got an hole in the engine, he's telling us. Look, tail lift, nice clean body in the back. It's a 13'6", 3.5 ton of rear wheel drive, 314. £81,937 miles. Anybody interested in that, wants to spend a bit of money on it, get yourself a decent van. If you can find an engine for it. At the moment, we can't get one for it ourselves. So we're going to advertise it at a loss at £12,000 plus VAT. Come and pick it up, tow it away, get yourself an engine fitted. Or if anyone is or has got an engine for sale, 314 CDI, Mercedes Sprinter engine, can help us out to fit an engine in it. We'll put an engine in it ourselves and retail it again. But if you're interested, 0795 77 19794.